Curious about what comes inside a Breakout EDU kit? I'm about to show you. All right, let's open the box. All right, we have the Breakout EDU box, the big one. Inside, the small box. A flyer. Has some helpful websites, the Breakout EDU website, the locks website, all the contents that come in the kit, social media sites, the email address on the back. It explains the power of Breakout EDU, how to get started, the subject packs, and all about the digital games. All right, let's see what's inside of here. So we've got the multi-lock. This allows you to have the directional locks, the letter locks, the expansion kit, so you can do color locks, shapes. Here's another multi-lock for the letter lock. The hasp that goes on the box where you could put all your different locks on. Just like that. It allows you to put different amounts of locks on here. The 3-digit lock. A small box. The 4-digit number lock. Another set of numbers for the expansion kit for your lock. Here we have the key lock with 3 keys to go along with that. USB flash drive. We've got, let's see, the black light that goes with the invisible ink pen. Get these batteries in here so I could show you how this works. So, take some paper, write with the invisible ink pen, shine that light on there, and there you go. Alright, we have the reflection cards that you use after you play Breakout EDU games for debriefing and wrapping things up. Then we have the red lens. The red lens is awesome. You could use it with these clues, and when you put the lens on, if you could see, it says I love Breakout EDU. And then finally, 2 hint cards. So that's the Breakout EDU Kit. To learn more, visit their website at breakoutedu.com.